I made $20,000 in 1 month with a trading robot, and this is how I did it. Trading robots are nothing new. They can be used on Forex, they can be used on crypto. All you have to do is throw it on a chart, adjust a few of the settings, and then the robot will place trades directly on your trading account, hopefully using good money management, take profit, stop loss, and all of that will be the case as long as you didn't buy your robot on Fiverr or eBay. I'm Pat, this is Trade with Pat. I love robots. I'm over 10 years deep using robots, but I look at robots a little bit differently than other people. I don't see this as a set and forget money printer. I like to actually get to know the robot, understand how it works, you know, wine them, dine them, 69 them, and that's why I do better than most people with robots, because I don't just set it on a chart and forget about it. I actually have an active role in the trading experience. So if you put in the time, put in the effort, you can grow a trading account with robots. That's exactly what this video is about today, is I grew a trading account over $20,000 in just under 1 month. I put my Forex Fury robot on a live trading account and watched it very closely on the US dollar Canadian dollar pair. And today I'll show you exactly how that went and how you could do it too. So let's get into how I did it, the settings that I used to do it, and then let you know if I recommend it or if this is the type of thing you should be trying with your trading. All right, so here we are inside of my trading server. I'll show you everything that you want to see here. Let's just start off by looking at the trading results. You can see this is a $50,000 account, and as I scroll down, it's nothing but wins. Obviously, I've got a great setup for the last month, watching this really closely, and I will be sharing exactly what I'm doing using the Forex Fury robot to get these type of results. You can see here I even had a bunch of trades yesterday. So we're talking about $74,000. This was on a $50,000 deposit, and this is a live trading account. So if you go over to the left side here, you could see this is a live server. If I click on tools and go to options here, you will also be able to see here we are in a live server. This is my login details, not giving you my password, but in order to be my FX book verified, I have provided my investor password to my FX book to verify the trading account to let you know that this is a live account. I will also show you those results on my FX book so you can see exactly how it's doing, and the link is already available on forexfury.com if you want to go through these trading results. But now I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's go into the settings of the software right here. Just right click on the chart, export properties, and then click properties here. Let me just open this box up a little bit here so that I could show you all of the settings. So right now I'm just using a fixed lot size of 4. This is very large, even for a $50,000 account. This is very large. I am taking risks here. I am using a stop loss of over 8,000. That means I'm not using a stop loss. But what that does mean is that I'm watching this account manually and making those decisions myself. I can decide to let a trade run if I think it's going to come back to the price and win the trade, or I can just cancel it altogether. These are decisions that I'm making. I have a take profit of 5. I've got a max orders of 7. I have 1 set of trades per day to 1. Okay, so that means if it takes 1 set of trades per day and it wins those, it's done taking trades for the day. I feel like that's the best way to do it. I'm fine winning 7 trades and being out of the market. Then I just recently changed my range trading setting to true. So this last set of wins we had was with the range trading setting to true. And that just means that Forex Fury performs better in ranging market conditions. So if there is a big spike in price up or down, the software won't trade, which helps a lot when you're using a strategy where you're manually handling the stop loss yourself and you want to see the price come back, right? Because because when you're in a range, the price is bouncing between that range over and over and over again. So you can expect that price to come back, and that's why you get the $24,000 gain on a live account. Then I've got my max spread at 50 because it's a higher spread account, and the rest of the settings are default. And then I have my start trading time at 23 and my end trading time at 23:59, which means the software will only open trades during a 1 hour period. But that doesn't mean the software will end those trades at that period. So obviously it looks good. Obviously, if you want to use the software this way, you can, but you have to know what you're doing. When you're using a robot, it's not just let me throw this thing on the chart and see what happens. I think it's a good idea to understand how a robot works, how much risk you should be using, and you can definitely try this strategy, but understand it's very risky, and you have to understand the way the market is moving, because if the market is moving against you in a very sharp way, you can be completely screwed, and I don't want that to happen to you. So now that I've covered all that, let's dig into the actual trades. I plotted them all on TradingView to show you exactly how I did this. All right, so what you're looking at now is the test that I completed in chart form. I just put it all on the chart so you can see every single one of the trades the software placed. You can see we started after this uptrend. There was a trend line break, and then the robot automatically placed a sell trade at this level here and closed the trade here. This was the first segment of wins. The second trade was a buy trade right here, which is fantastic. You're talking about calling the bottom of a trade. That's a bottom, right? This is a bottom right here. So the software placed an excellent trade there, closed it out here. These are very small trades. The next trade buy here, closed out here. These are all scalp trades. I'm looking to get in the market and out of the market effectively. Right here you can see this is a sell trade. This was a bad one, right, because the market went against me, but it did eventually come back, so we were able to get that win. As well, you already know, you saw the results. It's 100% win, so that's all I'm showing you. Here, this is a quick one. You can see we opened a sell trade at the top here, closed it right here for another easy win. As we scroll along, we have another segment of buy trades here, closed quickly after, right at this level. Then we have a buy level right here. I'm not sure why this trade wasn't closed here. My broker should have definitely had me close this trade here, but the trade instead was closed at this level. And then the next segment of trades were very, very good. As you can see, this is two sets of trades right here, and all of those trades did win. So they were actually, that was a solid day, because that was all within about an hour's span. Then we have another very good trade right here, another sell trade. We've got a buy trade opened here, closed here. So these are trades that are opening and closing very, very quickly. This trade here actually went over the weekend, and I don't usually trade over the weekend, but there was a huge price jump. So instead of 5 pips, we got much more than that, and it was thousands of dollars in just this trade alone. Then we have another one where we have 2 buy trades here, closed here. So these were easy, quick in and out. We have another selection of buy trades right here, quickly in and out. And then just yesterday, we had the last trades I placed, and this was a quick buy trade as well. So you can see here, hey, if you used these buy trades here and you stayed for a long, it did end up hitting this trend. We basically hit another bottom at this point here. You can see we're at the bottom at this level right here. So that's a nice buy trade, even though we didn't get the exact bottom. If you wanted to, you could have had a bigger take profit, and Forex Fury automatically took all of these trades for me. So it was a really fantastic week. And obviously it's not always going to work this way. Trading isn't always this straightforward, but I did take the risk, and I'm happy that I did. Now we have a fantastic result, which is $74,000 on my $50,000 account. That is a $24,000 gain in the course of approximately a month, starting on February 7th at 2.82% and then ending at March 8th for 48.01%. And this trading account is still active. If you go to forexfury.com, you can click on this account and look at it yourself. We're talking drawdown only 5.7%. And if you want, I could go back to the chart. We know exactly where that drawdown was, right? The drawdown of 5.7% was this trade. The drawdown of 5.7% was right here because we said sell, and the market did go up to this level. So it still wasn't huge. It was only 5.7%. You know, if it gets up here, then I would have been a bit more worried. Maybe I would have closed out those trades. But let's get back to the trading results. You can see here in the trading results, I placed 110 trades. Well, Forex Fury placed 110 trades for me, but this resulted in 100% of the longs won, 100% of the shorts won. The best trade I had was $1,874. I can show you some of those trades as well. You can see these were the 4 trades here. They made over 50 pips because these trades went over the weekend. They went from the 25th to the 28th. There was a big market jump. Obviously, you have to be careful when trading over the weekend. Generally, it's not something I do, and you can do a good job at canceling weekend tradings by basically disabling Friday trading in the settings. You can see my track record is verified. My trading privileges are verified. This is a real account. It's up $24,000. Yes, I did do some risky things to get here, but in the end, I'm happy with this test, and now I'm doing a bit lower risk as I started to enable the range trading filter, which will give me less trades, but it will still give me very profitable trades. So this is exactly how I made $24,000 with Forex Fury, with a trading robot in the course of just a month. It's been an incredible month, and I'm also having a ton of success in my VIP room. We're talking over 8% in the last week and a little bit. It's been absolutely insane with our new strategy, with our analysts. Everything is going well. Maybe you should check out Forex Fury if you're interested in the software I used for this video, or if you want something a little more hands-off, a little lower risk, check out my VIP signals room, which again is just 8% in around the last 7 to 8 trading days, which is absolutely insane. It's not always that way. Not everything I do is always this successful, but I'm hard at work to come up with new strategies and new things to show you every single week, whether that's through trading robots, signals, manual trading strategies. I'm here for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment below the video now. If you do so, you always have a chance at winning the raffle. I love you guys. I'm out of here. Maybe watch this video for more. Watch this video for more. Thanks again. I love you. Peace.